Yebi Unbox welcomes you to watch unboxing and review of 2-second skin micro-model solid trunks from the brand ALMO. Let's open it and do Seedhi Baat No Bakwas. Decently packed. This is the invoice. These are the trunks. This is navy color. Soft waistband with ALMO branding. This is the front and this is back. Very soft band from inside that leaves no marks on your waist. 93% MicroModal and 7% elastane. Made in India that makes you feel really proud. Very soft stuff, that's why they call it the next skin. This is how it looks from inside. This is storm green color. These trunks are really very comfortable and hence worth buying. Find the buy link in bio and buy yourself these comfortable trunks. Use coupon code YE20 and get 20% off on minimum cart value of 999. Tell me in the comments of which brand's underwear you want to see unboxing. If new to this channel, subscribe my channel now. See you in the next video. We'll be again doing Seedhi Baat No Bakwas.